Kinakabahan ba? Kinakabahan? Kinakabahan? Natota eh. Ha?
Mayor na ako eh.
Ladies and gentlemen, this afternoon, it is my great joy and honor to present to you our beloved group. The bigger of applause as we welcome Mr. Irvin Tejero. Malaki po ang inyong ginampanan sa buhay. Kung sino po ngayon, Sir Irvin. May I request everyone to stand, please. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause as we welcome Miss Charlene Hernandez. Maraming salamat po sa inyo mga magulang. Thank you so much, Mr. and Mrs. Hernandez, for accepting Irvin in your family. Irvin, you may now take Charlene. Idaan mo sa iyong magulang upang magsigalang. Maraming salamat po, Mr. and Mrs. Tejero, for accepting Charlene in your family. Irvin, can you please raise your right hand? Irvin, do you take Charlene to be your wedded wife, cherish her in sickness and in health, be faithful to her as long as you both live?
Yes, I do.
Charlene, can you please raise your right hand? Charlene, do you take Irvin to be your wedded husband, cherish him in sickness and in health, be faithful to him as long as you both live?
Yes, I do.
Maraming salamat po. You may now please be seated. Musaligin na mga pangako mo kay Charlene. Ano po ang tatlo magandang katangian ng iyong kabiyak na aming pagmamalaki mo sa aming lahat?
Mabait, masipag, maganda. Charlene, you are the most beautiful part of my life. You are my soulmate, my best friend, my number one supporter, and my favorite Lamaritesan. Thank you for your unconditional love and alagang mahal. Thank you for always there to back me up. Thank you for making my days more extraordinary and accepting me for all of who I am. When I first met you, I never knew how magically you would change my life. In you, I found my lover, my happiness, my inspiration, my dream, my home. I thank God na ma-meet ko ang girl version ko. Binigay niya pa sa akin. Mahal, I promise to love you in both times of sorrow and joy. I promise to honor and respect you as my wife. I promise to be more patient and gentle. I promise to be your partner in every adventure and your support in all the challenge. I promise to be your seatmate when you watch K-dramas, your personal dishwasher, and personal tagabunod ng puting buhok. I am excited to be your husband and to be the best father of our future family. Mahal, as long as we are together, alam ko, walang problema hindi natin kayang lagpasan. I will cherish you for the rest of my days. Pipiliin kita sa araw-araw. I will love you forever.
Shirley, ang tatlong magandang kadamihan po ng iyong kabiyak na may pagmamalaki mo sa amin yan.
Irene, responsible, at pogi. Irvin, mahal, sa tuwing binabalikan ko ang buong 4 na taon na pinagtagpo at nagkakilala tayo, sobra akong nagpapasalamat at namamangha kasi our love story is filled with God's goodness written all over it. When we met for the first time, I was just fully surrendered to God's plan and will for my love life. Na kung will niyang ibigay sa akin yung God's best, o kung ang will niya is single blessedness, then I will still remain grateful, happy, and contented because I know that the best place to be is always at the center of God's will. Kung bibiyayaan man, I remember persistently praying these 3 things before we met. First, that God would set the time and place for us to meet. Second, that He would change my heart so that I would be able to push you away. Kasi I knew that time that I had built a wall so high that no man could enter in. And last, that He would give you the courage to pursue me no matter what. And so during the surge of the pandemic, when all I was just searching for is a more stable job, little did I know that it would pave the way for many of my answered prayers. Hindi ko inakala na sa trabaho pala kita makikilala at sa panahon kung kailan limitado ang social life. Least expected, pero yun yung sagot sa una kong panalangin. At unti-unti, nakita ko kung paano naging bukas ang puso ko na kilalanin ka at magtiwala. Alam ko na sa buong proseso na yun, binuksan ni Lord ang puso ko. At ikaw, mahal, pinakita at pinaramdam mo sa umpisa pa lang kung gaano ka kasincere sa lahat ng intentions mo para sa akin. You pursued me genuinely. Minahal mo hindi lang ako pero pati ang buo kong pamilya. Sa mga panahong punong-puno ako ng pressures, anxieties at insecurities, salamat dahil nandiyan ka para pagaanin lahat at para iparamdam sa akin na hindi ako nag-iisa. During those times, our relationship grew stronger and deeper, not just as lovers, but as best friends. Your love has always made me feel accepted, understood, seen, and appreciated. You have always been a reflection of the unwavering and constant love of God for me. Thank you for making my good days memorable and my bad days tolerable. And so, today is the day that He has made. On this first day of December, it will now mean so much to me. You are my first, last, and everything in between. It will continue to remind me to seek and love God first, because it is when I love him first that I can love you the most. I cannot promise you a flawless married life, but this I know and I vow to love, honor, respect, forgive, and submit to you with a joyful heart. I promise to stay and grow with you during the sunny and rainy seasons of our marriage. I want you to know that I will remain to be your greatest supporter, best friend, better half, safest person, and your home. Just as I have prayed for you before I met you, I commit to consistently pray for and with you until our forever. So to the man who is full of surprises, the one who taught me the beauty that lies on enjoying the simplest things, the man who showed me how it's like to be committed to someone with all his heart, I am so much excited with the life ahead of us. We will continue to make memories and never be apart. We will continue to journey in this new chapter of our life, hand in hand, build our own home, travel to places, dream and learn all things. Together, we will continue to seek God's will for our married life, trusting in His wisdom and guidance.
We found our friends and bigyan of applause to Miss Charlene. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, this afternoon, it is my great joy and honor to present to you for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Irvin and Charlene Tejero. Tapos na po tayo sa pinakahintay ko, Irvin. Irvin, bibilang ako ng 10 seconds, ha? Bago maghiwalay ang labi ninyo. Kapag naghiwalay, babalik po sa simula. Kaya dapat dire-diretso. So Irvin, for the first time, Mrs. Tejero na. Kaya dahan-dahan mo lang na. Irvin, in 10 seconds, you may now kiss your wife. Praktisado po, Sir Irvin. Irvin, in 10 seconds, you may now kiss your wife.
is now the turn of our bride to give the slice of cake to her groom. Di ko ipabalik, hindi mo siya beto tayo. How about you request some other sweet kiss? Babalik sa'yo. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight's celebration has finally come to an end. But to each and every one of us, as we're the part of this place, of course, as your host, would like to give you a simple encouragement that whatever challenges we're going to face in life, I do believe that we're going to conquer it. Because, take note, we are born more than a conqueror. Kaya naman po sa ating pong lahat, syempre muli po nating batiin ng congratulations ang ating pong bagong kasal. Sabay-sabay po tayo with great energy, love, and joy in the count of 3, 2, and 1! To the newlyweds! How about we request another last gift? Congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Tejero. Once again, yours truly, I am host Mika, tunay ng Mika Risma ang inyong makakasama. And yours everyone, see you when I see you. Good night and good evening. Salamat po!
Video muna.
Wala, pati dito.
Video muna.
Anong paramdam?
Yes!
Natapos na.
Oh, gutom na.
Hindi naman. Kumain ko kanina eh.
Kumain din ako eh.
Ayun
Hindi
eh.
nga ano eh. Tapos na eh.
Buti mabilis
Kahit na
lang.
ulan, okay lang.
Dati sira-sira na yung barong dito.
Ha? Hindi ako iyak ha.
Hindi din
Pinipigilan mo!
Yung itsura mo.
Oo.
Ayaw niya eh.
Hindi ako umiyak.
Hindi ko sure.
Oo, hagulhol.
Hindi siya.
Hindi din. Masaya lang.
Ilang
Wala
ulit.
ng picture mo eh.
Kain na ba kayo?
Oh, ganda na daw eh.
Pahinga muna kayo dyan.
Grade niya kung masarap.
Smile lagi nga. Smile!
Oo, madami pa yan. Sige.